Let's make perfectly crispy Belgian waffles from scratch.
Combine fresh ingredients for a light, airy waffle batter. Whisk until smooth without overmixing the batter. Pour evenly into a hot waffle iron. Cook until golden brown and beautifully crispy. Top with your favorite fresh fruits and maple syrup. Crispy outside, fluffy inside, absolutely irresistible. Enjoy homemade Belgian waffles that are crispy every time.